Very good morning, children. We are going to study today about radiation. Last day we did conduction and convection. So, radiation, heat transfer by radiation is invisible to the eye and not affected by airflow. So, here is something burning and you're not touching it, but you feel the heat. That is because of radiation. Radiation is a process by which heat is transferred from one place to another without the help of any medium. Example, the heat from the sun reaches the earth by radiation. When we sit near fire, we feel warm due to the heat radiated by the fire. All hot bodies radiate heat. So without touching also you can feel the heat. That is because of this process of radiation. Conduction, convection, they all require medium, not radiation. Heat from the sun is a very main example of your radiation. You can feel the sun warm your skin on a sunny day. This is because the energy causes the particles in your skin to move faster. So there is more heat energy. Without touching the heat or without touching the sun, you can feel the heat of the sun. So there is no direct contact, but you can still feel the heat from the sun. That is because of radiation. This is important. Dark colored surfaces and white colored surfaces. Dark colored surfaces absorb more heat than light colored surfaces. Take two cans, one you paint black and one you paint white, and both are having water in it, and you place them in your sunlight. So after some time you'll see that the black colored can is more darker than the white colored can. Similarly, dark colored surfaces radiate more heat. You take two cans and then one is black and one is white, and then you pour equal amount of water. Black will radiate more heat and light will radiate less heat. Kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter. Dark colored surfaces absorb more heat than light colored surfaces. Dark colored surfaces radiate more heat than light colored surfaces. We wear dark colored clothes in winter because it absorbs more heat and keeps us warm. We wear light colored clothes in summer because it reflects most of the heat and keeps us cool. We wear woolen clothes in winter because wool is a poor conductor of heat, and the air in between the wool fiber prevents loss of heat from our body. So we feel warm. All these are example for your give reasons. So we have come to the end and we have studied about conduction, convection, radiation. Radiation, is there is no direct contact and your heat is transmitted in the form of waves, whereas conduction is seen more commonly in solids, convection in liquids and gases. Okay, I hope children you have understood the transfer of heat, the concepts of conduction, convection and radiation. Thank you.